Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dust collectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WEN DC3401 Rolling Dust Collector. The WEN DC3401 Rolling Dust Collector is a compact and powerful tool that is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts. Its 5.7 amp brushed motor combined with a 6-inch impeller moves up to 660 cubic feet of air per minute. You can connect your favorite woodworking tools to its 4-inch dust port. The compact design includes an onboard carrying handle for easy storage and transportation, and it features lockable swivel casters, an optional wall mount, and a 12-gallon 5-micron zippered collection bag. Moving on, at number 4, we have the JET Vortex Cone Dust Collector. The JET Vortex Cone Dust Collector is a powerful and efficient machine designed for continuous duty. Its fast installation and removal system, combined with the quick connect collection bags, make it a convenient tool for any workshop. The single-stage design ensures quiet operation, 70-80 dB, while the Vortex Cone technology improves chip separation and collector bag packing efficiency. The 4 casters make it easily portable. At number 3, we have the ShopFox W1662 HP Dust Collector. The ShopFox Dust Collector is a powerful and efficient tool for keeping your workspace clean and dust-free. With an air suction capacity of approximately 1,550 CFM and a static pressure of 12.3 inch, this dust collector can effectively remove dust and debris from your workshop. The standard bag filtration system with a 2.5 micron rating ensures that even the smallest particles are captured, improving the air quality in your workspace. The motor amplifier draw of 220 volt to 12A provides enough power to handle heavy-duty tasks. With a bag volume of 5.4 cubic feet, you can collect a large amount of dust before needing to empty the bag. The ShopFox Dust Collector is a reliable and convenient solution for maintaining a clean and safe work environment. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DXBK002 Dust Separator. The DEWALT Dust Separator is designed to enhance your workshop experience by efficiently capturing wood chips and debris before they reach your vacuum. This prevents clogging, saving you time and money on filter replacements. Its versatile design allows it to handle various materials, from drywall dust to metal shavings, making it a great addition for any project. With its stable, mobile base and compatibility with most vacuum cleaners, you can easily maneuver it around your workspace. Plus, the high-quality materials ensure durability and optimal performance for long-lasting use. And finally, at number 1, we have the ShopFox W1826 Wall Dust Collector. The ShopFox W1826 Wall Dust Collector is a powerful and efficient dust collection system designed to keep your workspace clean and dust-free. With its 1-horsepower motor, you can rely on this dust collector to effectively capture and filter dust particles, ensuring a healthier and safer working environment. The built-in window allows you to easily monitor the amount of dust in the bag, while the bottom zipper makes dust disposal quick and hassle-free. The single 4-inch intake hole ensures efficient suction, while the 2.5 micron bag with a 2 cubic feet capacity effectively traps even the smallest dust particles. With a height of 44 inches when the bag is inflated, this dust collector is compact and space-saving. The ShopFox Dust Collector is a reliable and convenient solution for maintaining a clean and dust-free workspace. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.